Hi, Nigerian Pidgin English lovers. Welcome to BDNP, Breaking Down Nigerian Pidgin English. In our last lesson, we looked at some slang verbs in Nigerian Pidgin English, which was a pretty long list. Today, we're going to check out some slang nouns in Nigerian Pidgin English. I must tell you, it is quite a long list as well, but be rest assured that knowing these nouns will help you understand Nigerian movies, Nigerian music, Pidgin English conversations, and the likes. Like I said in the slang verb lesson, the next couple of lessons are a series of lessons that deal with slang in Nigerian Pidgin English. After the slang nouns, we will look at slang expressions, fixed slang expression, and emphatic slang words. Let's set the ball rolling. These are some of the slang nouns in Nigerian Pidgin English. Naija, Nigeria, a Nigerian. Bones, sunglasses. Made, fake, a counterfeit stuff. Bend down boutique, bend down select. Shops where used clothes are sold and bought. Qualms, Quanta, Kasala, Bege, Yawa, Palava. Problem, headache, worries. No qualms, no worries. No yawa, no problem. Quanta deo, there is trouble. Yawa deo, trouble is looming. Barbing saloon, the barber's shop. Parole, activity, business. I did the parole last night. I logged the activity we did last night. Levels, activities, business. It's just like parole. They're actually synonyms. Abuna, Congo, Emana, Pekus, Pomo, Puna, Tiwe, Toto, vagina. All man, everybody. Bobby, a striking female breast. Hold up, traffic. Go slow, traffic. Sabinus, a pejorative for a male who thinks he knows it all, he knows too much, he knows a lot. Sabina, this is pejorative for a female who thinks she knows a lot as well. Sabi, this is for both female and male who thinks he or she knows too much. Oversabi, This is one who thinks or one who knows too much or thinks he or she knows too much. Waka waka. Someone who walks aimlessly about without any aim. Yakubu. A failure. That guy na Yakubu. That guy is a failure. Efisi. That's a style, kind of swag. Touche. A term used to describe luxury and affluence, or used to describe a well-polished, higher class individual. I only deal with touche people. I only deal with well-polished people. Under G-Rons. You do something secretive, something kind of very secret. You do it behind the doors without allowing people to know about it. You do it in a very coded way. Waiting I want you to do for me now under G-Rons. What I want you to do for me is a secret. Bolo, Sule, Mugu, Mumu, Ode, Bosun, Suegbe, Owu, Zuwo. That's a fool, a foolish person. Akada, an intellectual, a serious student. Sapele wota. Ogogoro. This is a kind of local gin, a local liquor, spirit. It be like say you dey high on sapele wota. Seems you're high on local spirit. Ekelebe, Ojo, a policeman, a cop. Laga, beer. Shak, any alcohol drink. Wakis, grub. Grudge, chew. Chow, lamb. Food. Enough wakis go dey the party. There'll be enough food at the party. Joint. A place where alcohol is sold, a local pub. Oyibo. White man. It's not really pejorative. That's a general term for all white men. We say Oyibo. Britico. A British person. Akata, used to describe an African American. I just met one Akata babe. I just met an African American lady. Sauti, South African or South Africa. I like Sauti guys. I like guys from South Africa. Chinko, Chinese. Jamo, Jamaica. Jamo people full janned. There are lots of Jamaicans in London. Kaban, Kaba, Bunk, Creep, End, Bink, Yard, someone's house. I did my ends. I'm at home. Guy man. A person who is sly, very cunning. Sanko. Prison or jail. Ras. Very local and unsophisticated. Look that ras guy. Look at that very local and unsophisticated guy. Bosa. A loud explosive sound or expression used to praise people. Too bosa for you. 2 thumbs up for you. You hear that bosa for outside? Did you hear that loud sound outside? Jazz or pata. Nonsense. Wait till you dey talk now, jazz. What you're saying is nonsense. Jazz. Juju. A kind of medical spell used on someone to lose his senses. That girl used jazz for you. Did that girl use a spell on you? Chabi, Chikala, Shorty, Chica, Chiquito, Erema, Sweet Babe, Punani, Fine Pikin, Omoge, Peperepe. Beautiful girl. Live runs. That's a main girlfriend or someone's wife. That na my live runs. That's my wife. Agaracha. Anima shaun. A woman with an easy virtue allows anyone to have sex with her. That agaracha babe na mumu. That cheap girl is a fool. Braga. Someone too full of himself. Dagbo. A fake document. Agbaya. A shameless and not well-behaved older person. You this Agbaya. Stop to dey spin this young babe. He old enough to be your daughter. You this shameless man, stop asking out younger babes. They are old enough to be your daughters. This is where we wrap up the part 1. Check out the part 2 for the continuation of this topic, which is slang nouns. Peace is in. Bye.